So good morning, everyone. So in the last class, you have seen that we further discussed about that majority-based approach, right? And then we have discussed that how the version, the highest version is being considered for the updation part. Then read one, write all is a kind of bias protocol, a special case of quorum consensus, where it allows reads to read any one replica, but updates require all replicas to be available at commit time. So we have again seen some of its drawback. I'm not going to repeat them. You may go to the recorded lecture if you need it necessary. Then we talked about the site reintegration, means when some failed site recovers, it must catch up with all update that it made while it was down. So some problem, and with respect to its solution, we have discussed, like problem is updates may be happening to items was replica stored at the site when the site is, or while the site is recovering. Then what happens then? Solution will be halt. Two solutions I'm citing here are: solution one, halt all the updates on the system while reintegration taking place. Then solution two, lock all the replicas of all the data items at the site and update to the latest version, then releases the locks. We have considered it with respect to remote backup. I have asked one question regarding that. I can see that Rajesh, Himanshu, you have tried to answer the question. I hope the other also will try to answer this question. So very good, Rajesh and Himanshu. Then remote backup systems are simpler and have lower overhead. Using distributed databases with the replicas of data items can provide availability by having multiple, means there is greater than 2 replicas, and using the majority protocol. Then we discuss about the coordinator selection. Coordinator is means playing very important role in this distributed database or distributed environment, right? So again, one algorithm there I have cited, that is Bully algorithm, maybe pronounced as Bully algorithm or Bully algorithm. Let's go through this algorithm in detail. Bully algorithm: if site SI sends a request that it is not answered by the coordinator within a time interval T, assume that the coordinator has failed. SI tries to elect itself as the new coordinator. Okay, so within that time interval, if that coordinator is not responding, then it will be means assume that that site or that site has been failed. Okay, then SI sends an election message to every site with a higher identification number. SI then waits for any of these processes to answer within that particular time interval T. If no response within T, assume that all sites with number greater than I have failed. अगर इस T टाइम के अंदर कोई रेस्पॉन्स नहीं मिल रहा है, तो it is assumed that all sites which number greater than I have failed. So SI elects itself as the new coordinator. Okay. If answer is received, SI begins the time interval to this, waiting to receive a message that a site with a higher identification number has been elected. If no message is sent within that T dash, assume that the site with a higher number has failed. As I restart that algorithm, after a failed site recovers, it immediately begins execution of the same algorithm. Like yesterday also I told you that during that recovery process, we try to achieve means all those things which have been missed by that site during the failure period. So after a failed site recovers, it immediately begins execution of the same algorithm. If there are no active sites with higher numbers, the recovered site forces all processes with lower numbers to let it become the coordinator site, even if there is a currently active coordinator with lower number. ये जो point है ये important है सबसे ज्यादा. क्या बोल रहे हैं हम? If there are no active sites with higher number, ठीक है? Higher number में कोई भी active site अगर नहीं है तो the recovered site forces all the processes with lower numbers, all such processes with lower numbers to let it become the coordinator site. ठीक है? Coordinator site बना देंगे even if there is a currently active coordinator with a lower number. Right? So that is about this Wally algorithm. A very simple fact. Go through the recorded lecture once again, then you'll get it. Only the matter thing is the time interval. उस time interval के अंदर अगर नहीं दे पा रहे response, उसको fail माना जा रहा है. और अगर higher number है, आपका number अगर higher है, तो आप खुद को क्या बना रहे हो? New coordinator बना रहे हो. So that is the simple fact about the Wally algorithm or Bully algorithm. You need to just remember the steps, and my suggestion is that write the steps one by one in your copy. Okay. Then trading consistency for availability. ये भी important points है because we are talking about again ACID. So what is consistency? I know that it doesn't require any further discussions because from the beginning of our TVMS class, I give importance on this particular topic, consistency. But let's have a small review on that. Consistency in database, we know we have to follow this ACID property. Database has a set of integrity constraints. A consistent database state is one where all integrity constraints are satisfied. Each transaction run individually on a consistent database site must leave the database in a consistent state. 3 point. क्या बोल रहे हैं? Database has a set of integrity constraints. ये सारे constraints को fulfill करना पड़ेगा. A consistent database state is one where all these integrity constraints are satisfied. Okay. Atomicity, consistency, okay, isolation, durability, these things should be satisfied. Each transaction run individually on a consistent database state must leave the database in a consistent state. मतलब जो consistent database है, if that transaction is leaving that after a working part is complete, then that database should be in a consistent state, right? The consistency in distributed system with replication. अब इसमें दो टर्म आ जाते हैं. क्या है ये? एक तो strong consistency, एक weak consistency. दोनों में ध्यान रखना consistency है. Okay. Now, what is strong consistency is that a CIDL with read and write operations on a replicated object should give results and final state equivalent to some CIDL on a single copy of the object with other order of the operations from a single site preserve. So what is that? A CIDL with read and write operations on a replicated object. We are talking about what? That replicated object. ठीक है? Replicated object मतलब एक ओरिजिनल ऑब्जेक्ट ही और साइट में है. अब ये जो है शेड्यूल किसके ऊपर काम कर रहा है आपका? वो रेप्लिकेटेड ऑब्जेक्ट के ऊपर काम कर रहा है. जो रिजल्ट मिलेगा वो इक्विवेलेंट होना चाहिए. किसके साथ? कोई और ये जो सिंगल कॉपी ऑफ द ऑब्जेक्ट है, ठीक है, मतलब ये जो ऑब्जेक्ट जिसके ऊपर उसने अभी काम किया था वो एक रेप्लिका था, तो और उसका जो दूसरा रेप्लिका है या तो वो ओरिजिनल ऑब्जेक्ट है, the result obtained from that should be similar to this our current scheduled operations. And if it is same, so अगर ये मतलब सिंपल्स में बोलो तो क्या है, एक साइट में एक रेप्लिका है, दूसरे साइट में एक है, तो आपका जो रिजल्ट मिलेगा वो क्या होना चाहिए, आपका इक्विवेलेंट होना चाहिए, ठीक है। अगर ऐसा हो गया तो हम बोलते हैं इसको स्ट्रॉन्ग कंसिस्टेंसी, ठीक है। इफ दिस इज नॉट कंप्लीटली फुलफिल्ड, ये तो पूरा स्ट्रॉन्ग कंसिस्टेंसी में क्या हो रहा है, पूरा फुलफिल हो रहा है, ठीक है। जैसा भी आपका फर्स्ट शेड्यूल से मिल रहा है रिजल्ट, then that should be equivalent to on the replica of the same that item on some different site, the result is same, almost same means it is means equivalent to 100%, okay। but अगर less than 100% हुआ है, then we will call it as a weak consistency, means some results may be different. So that is the difference between strong consistency and weak consistency. I suggest that you go through some examples for both of them. Strong consistency का तो समझ में आ गया, but weak consistency का after this lecture you will go through some examples. Okay. Now availability. So availability of a centralized server. So ये जो availability term है with respect to distributed data space, I have discussed many times. You know that. Suppose centralized server की बात जब हमने की थी, तो क्या हुआ था? If that centralized server is down, so what happens? Can anybody tell me? This is the centralized server. See, this one is the centralized server. Suppose it downs. Okay, then what would happen? कोई भी मुझे बता दो, क्या कम्युनिकेशन कंसिस्टेंट वे में हो पाएंगे तब? My question, you got it now?
सर अगर ये सर सेंट्रलाइज सर्वर अगर डाउन हो गया तो जो भी डिवाइसेस कनेक्टेड होगा एक दूसरे से बात नहीं कर पाएंगे, तो क्योंकि वो तो सेंट्रलाइज सर्वर से कनेक्टेड होंगे एक दूसरे से, मतलब कनेक्ट
तो
कम्युनिकेट करने के
कंसिस्टेंट
लिए।
होगा या नहीं?
नहीं सर।
नहीं होगा। ओके, राजेश ने बोला है नहीं होगा। And what about the others' opinion on this? What the others say on this? Yesterday, I have got the answer, two answers particularly. As I have, as beginning the class also, I told you that I got the answer from Rajesh and Himanshu as correct answers. Okay. What about the others? Have you got that questions correctly or not? See, आजकल ऐसा नहीं है कि आपको डायरेक्ट टाइप का कुछ क्वेश्चंस मिल जाएगा, ठीक है। यू नीड टू अप्लाई योर लॉजिक, और मैंने जितना देखा जो आंसर राजेश और हिमांशु ने सोल्व किया है, दिया है, दैट इज करेक्ट। ओके, तो मैं जानना चाहता हूँ बाकी से, जैसे कि भाग्यश्री, अमलान, then roll number 13, 18, 43, Victor. What about you? Why you have not answered the question? Come on, yes, I want response from you. In which part you have find difficulty? You tell me. I just asked yesterday a very simple question. If you have attended the lecture sincerely, man, then of course will be able to solve that problem. तो क्या हो गया, क्यों आंसर नहीं दिया बताओ मुझे। सबसे मुझे जवाब सही है। अमलान से स्टार्ट करता हूँ क्योंकि अमलान बहुत दिन से क्लास में एब्सेंट है। हाँ अमलान, তুমি কোৱা।
স্যার কালি ক্লাছ কৰা নাছিলো।
তো কিয় কৰা নাছিলা তুমি? What is the reason, Amlan? Anyway, Amlan is going to give the answer by 11 a.m. today, not just a single minute delay after 11. Okay, by 11 I should get the answer from Amlan in written form by your name and by your roll number. Then I'm coming to Bhagyashree. What happened to you?
Sir, মই কালি ক্লাছ কৰা নাছিলো।
কি হল কালি অম্লান তুমি মানে ক্লাস কিয় কৰা নাছিলা?
স্যার কালি মোৰ নেটৱৰ্কৰ অলপ প্ৰব্লেম দি দিলে স্যাৰ।
Okay. Anyway, go to the recorded link and then you will solve it and you'll send it to me. Okay, you'll solve
Okay,
that.
sir.
बट ऐसा
Okay,
नहीं
sir.
है कि आप लोगों ने राजेश ने जैसा आंसर दिया है, हिमांशु ने देखा है, उसको ही जस्ट कॉपी पेस्ट करोगे, ऐसा नहीं। मुझे खुद का लॉजिक चाहिए, आप अपना लॉजिक बताओगे वहां पे। मुझे पैसा अमलान और भाग्यश्री और बाकी সকল
Yes,
মই
sir.
সবৰ নাম নলওঁ এতিয়া।
পাইছো স্যার।
ওকে 11টা বজাৰ ভিতৰত মই আনসাৰ পাব লাগিব। I have to stick in this condition because this distributed database is not just as simple as you are thinking about, I think. And Rajkishore আছে নে ক্লাছত? राजकिशोर नहीं है ना राजेश?
नहीं सर, नहीं है।
तुम्हें इन्फॉर्म कर देना उसको। हाँ, उसको सिराज दे
तो
बोलना।
पता नहीं, लास्ट क्लास में तो किया था, मनोज सर का जो प्रॉब्लम सॉल्विंग क्लास है उसमें तो अटेंड किया था।
हाँ, तो उसको
अटेंडेंस
अभी
दिया था,
बोल
अभी पता नहीं।
दीजिएगा कि वो क्लास देख के जो क्वेश्चन पूछा गया है वो खुद सोल्व करके दिब्बो सर को बाय 11 AM दे देंगे। ज्यादा से ज्यादा एट मैक्स आई विल कंसीडर 11:30 बट नॉट आफ्टर दैट। ओके,
यस सर, यस सर।
मैं सबको बोल रहा हूँ अभी से थोड़ा सिंसियर हो जाओ, ठीक है? मतलब अभी एकदम हम लास्ट 60% हमने कवर कर लिया है। लास्ट 40% में ऐसे रहोगे ना, बिल्कुल पास नहीं हो पाओगे। मैं बोल रहा हूँ ना, ठीक है? यहाँ मैं 2-3 जन को देख रहा हूँ रेगुलर, आप लोग सभी लोग कर सकते हो, बट टेक्निकल जो टर्म्स है यू आर नॉट गोइंग टू गेट इट इफ यू आर टेकिंग इट लाइटली, ठीक है? और मुझे आई डोंट वांट टू रिपीट दिस थिंग्स अगेन एंड अगेन। मैं आज फिर से बोल रहा हूँ, मुझे नेक्स्ट क्लास में ये चीज बोलने का मजबूर मत करो आप लोग, ठीक है? कुछ सिंसियरली क्लास करो, अटेंड करो, जो क्वेश्चन आंसर दिया गया है कुछ सोल्व करते जाओ, ठीक है? सो दैट यू विल नॉट फेस एनी प्रॉब्लम, आई विल आल्सो नॉट फेस एनी प्रॉब्लम। ओके, लाइक राजेश, हिमांशु, इन लोगों की जैसे बन जाओ आप लोग, ठीक है? So that's my suggestion to all of you. So what I was discussing that if the centralized server is down, that how could that consistency will be retained there? There's no such solution for this, right? So that's why we avoid this type of architecture in our distributed computing environment. Okay, so we believe on side-to-side conversation basis. जो communication हो रहा है ये कैसे हो रहा है आपका? This is side-to-side communication. So that if this link goes down, then there is a probability that this node may communicate with this one, so that there is no loss of information or there is no loss of any what I can say important message at that real time. Okay, and for that you go for network partition also. That is probably a solution for that. Okay, these are the 2 points that I think I need to add to this availability, because the rest of the points I have already discussed in some of my last lectures. Okay, so after that we have one important theorem, that is Beer's cap theorem, that I'll discuss in the next class. So with this I'm stopping here. I hope whatever the topics I discussed today It's clear to you?
Yes, sir.